Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant, and is finished in Pangea green metallic paint. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 30 miles. On a 7 kilowatt charge, it can take up to 2.5 hours to charge. On a 3-pin plug, up to 8 hours. And on a rapid charge, it can take up to 30 minutes to reach 80%. To start off with then, this vehicle has matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Pangea green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. This vehicle also features a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. Once we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps any essentials you need to take with you on a day-to-day basis. Also located within the boot, you can find your tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which is ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 10,787 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This car also features a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You of course also have your 4x4 information, along with wade sensing and terrain response drive modes. Pairing this with the off-road feature on the 360 view camera, all these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You of course also have the 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And you are able to either deploy or stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. It also has a clear sight interior rear view mirror to always give you an unobstructed view of what may be behind you. This has been a presentation on our Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.